Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. If you're searching for the best VR headsets of 2025, you're in the right place. From jaw-dropping 4K plus visuals to next-level mixed reality experiences, these headsets are changing the game for gamers, tech lovers, and VR explorers alike. In this video, we'll break down the top models, their standout features, and which one might be perfect for you. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and drop a comment below letting us know which VR headset you're most excited about. Let's dive in. Starting at number 3, we have Valve Index VR Kit. Tired of blurry VR and uncomfortable headsets? The Valve Index VR Full Kit might just be the upgrade you need. With dual 1440x1600 LCDs and ultra-low persistence backlighting, everything looks razor-sharp and incredibly smooth. You get full IPD adjustment from 58mm to 70mm, plus a canted lens design for immersive visuals. Comfort? Covered, thanks to adjustable eye relief, head size fit, and speaker positioning. Just plug into your VR-ready PC and go. In my opinion, the Valve Index still sets the bar for premium VR experiences in 2025. At number 2, we have MetaQuest 3. Still stuck in flat-screen gaming? The MetaQuest 3 is here to pull you into a whole new dimension. This is Meta's most powerful headset yet, with over double the GPU performance of the Quest 2, meaning smoother, more realistic gameplay. The stunning 4K plus infinite display delivers a jaw-dropping 30% resolution boost, paired with rich 3D audio that's louder and clearer than ever. Whether you're using the Touch Plus controllers or going hands-free with direct touch gestures, the experience feels incredibly intuitive. With over 500 immersive apps, comfort upgrades, and a sleek new design, the Quest 3 nails it. Honestly, it's the best standalone mixed reality headset you can buy right now. No PC, no wires, just pure immersion. And finally, at number 1, PlayStation VR2. Tired of VR that feels more like a gimmick than a game changer? The PlayStation VR2 flips the script with cutting-edge performance built for true next-gen immersion. You get 4K HDR visuals and a 110 field of view that puts you inside the action, not just watching it. Thanks to PSVR2 Sense tech, every move feels real. Eye tracking, haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and finger touch detection create a mind-blowing level of control. And don't forget the 3D audio, which wraps sound all around you. Honestly, this headset delivers console VR like we've never seen before. If you own a PS5, this is the upgrade your gaming world has been waiting for.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.